So here we are today, celebrating the two of them, James and Kelsey.
We'd like to welcome everyone today as a witness and to celebrate the marriage of James Aaron White and Kelsey Amber Shack.
It was about 32 years ago when we were going into the hospital on October 19th. 17 hours later, on October 20th, Kelsey arrives. 9 pounds, 3 ounce, 20-inch Kelsey. It was a great day. No, but James is a great guy, really a great guy, very professional, very driven, very humble guy, but knows what he wants, knows when to get it, and goes out and gets it. I mean, today is really a formality for us because we already think James is part of our family. We really do. Daughters have a very unusual effect on fathers. As a lot of you probably know, Kelsey and I spent a lot of hours together during volleyball, traveling to tournaments, going to practices, a lot of hours, some of it crying, a lot of laughter, spent a lot of time together.
James, take you, Kelsey, to be my wedded wife.
I, Kelsey, take you, James, to be my wedded husband, and give to you in the presence of these witnesses
My promise to stay by your side in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow.
I promise to love you without reservation and encourage you to achieve all of your goals.
To laugh with you and cry with you, grow with you in mind and spirit, always be open and honest with you.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live.
Gina and I are very proud to be here today and wishing them the best in their future as what life has to have them. And we're here for you. All our friends are here for you and wish you the best of luck. Congratulations.
It is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. James, make kiss your bride.